Okay, let's click in E5 and then click the auto sum button, and let's just check that we've got the right thing selected and press enter. And then click in E6 and do the same to add together B6 to D6. And then let's click in B7 and click the function button. There we are, paste function. And let's select the statistical, and then we want average, and let's click OK. And let's click the collapse button, that thing there, and we want to select B4 to B6, and then click the button which is now expand button and click OK. And then we can do the same to get the average of C4 to C6, and then we want to do the same in D7, or we can simply copy the formula across, which is what I'm going to do here. It's a lot faster doing that than going through all that paste function section. Then select A1 and click the font arrow on the toolbar, and we want Book Antica, and we want to change that to size of 14 points, and then let's click the bold button, okay. Let's select B3 to D3 and make that italic. And let's deselect underline for those. And now click the Format Painter. So we have to find it first. It's that paintbrush there. And then click in E3, and that pastes the formats onto it. And now select E3 and double click the Format Painter, which is now showing on the toolbar, and click and drag over A4 to A7, and then we want to press the escape key to deselect Format Painter. Now click in the name box and type A3 colon E7 and press enter, and that will select those cells. Now click the border drop arrow on the formatting toolbar. Actually it's hidden, so we have to find it. And we want, let's drag that box into the middle there, and we want the bottom right. I'm going to select the bottom left first and then change to bottom right, and then click outside of the range to see the effect. And now we can close the borders palette. Now select E4 to E6 and click the fill color drop arrow. Again, that's hidden, so let's go and find it. There it is. And we want to select bright green. Now click outside to see the effect, and now select A3 to E7 and let's go to the edit menu and select clear and formats. And now let's go to the format menu with those cells still selected, and select auto format, and let's select the accounting 1 option and click OK. And now click outside to see the effect. Well, let's click undo. Okay, now let's right click on a toolbar, any toolbar, and select drawing if it's not already selected, and let's click the oval option, and let's drag out an oval from around the A6 B6 junction to the D7 E7 junction. We want to over those three average cells, and we can resize that or drag it around as needed. And then we want to click on the fill color drop arrow and select no fill. Now we can actually see what it's surrounding. Now click on the text box button and drag out a text box from around F7 to G9, and in that we want to type, these are average monthly amounts. And then we want to click on the arrow button and drag out an arrow from the side of that text box across to the averages. And now let's go to the My Sheet tab and click in there and go to Data, Filter and Auto Filter, and that brings us some tabs where we can, let's select the top 10 from that. Yes, okay. And now let's go back, scroll back up and select all. And we want to go to Data and turn off the auto filter and save.